Dito kami sa Amsterdam North para mag-park at pupunta kami sa Amsterdam Central by boat. Come and join us! Yan, some tip. If you want to go to Amsterdam, you have to go and look around at masyadong it's so expensive the parking. What you can do to NDSM. Ayan, you can ride a boat. Going to Amsterdam is free. Gratis, libre. Yes. So mag-park kayo, you can park here, and the parking here is just €5 one day already. Not like in Amsterdam, the parking is Amsterdam super duper expensive. So at least if you park your car here, and then you can go with this boat ferry, tatawid going to Amsterdam Central, libre. You don't need to pay, and you really can easier at saka cheaper. Super cheap at super dali naman talaga siya. So here, look, it's just 10 minutes you are here in Amsterdam Central, diba?
2,000 years later.
At ayan, on the way back, nakapag-ikot na kami. We can go around here in Amsterdam, so you don't need to think about how many hours you're going around. So you go via Amsterdam Central Station. Yeah, you just walk through Amsterdam Central Station, and in the other side there's all the ferry, so you can go the ferry. Ayan, you just wait at the moment kasi maraming tao because it's summer, of course. So look, that's just here in the other side of Amsterdam Central. There's the ferry, so we go all by ferry, and it is, as I said, is gratis, libre. You don't need to pay. Ayan, tatawid na kami ng ferry going to our car na nakapark dito sa NDSM. Yeah, so you can park your car here. So we are here now, we're going to the car. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the tip that you get.